The steering assist is reduced, drive with care warning has become one of the most commonly reported issues across GM's vehicle lineup. This warning indicates a problem within the electric power steering system that requires immediate attention. This issue particularly affects Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, and Cadillac models. Popular affected vehicles include the Malibu, Equinox, Traverse, Terrain, Acadia, Enclave, and various Cadillac models like the XT5 and Escalade. The electric power steering system consists of several critical components working together. The steering torque sensor measures driver input force, while the position sensor tracks steering wheel angle. The EPS motor provides the actual steering assistance, all controlled by an electronic control module. The system continuously monitors sensor readings, component communication, and safety parameters. When any of these fall outside predetermined ranges or when communication is interrupted, the warning is triggered and the system may activate backup manual steering mode for safety. Analysis shows that 60% of cases are sensor-related issues, including torque sensor calibration drift and position sensor contamination. 25% are software or calibration problems, while only 15% involve actual hardware failures like EPS motor degradation. Ignoring this warning can lead to reduced steering control, especially at low speeds where power steering assistance is most needed. The steering becomes much more difficult, requiring increased driver effort and potentially creating safety risks. The condition may worsen over time if not addressed promptly. When the steering assist warning appears, the first step is always to check for software updates. Most issues are resolved through ECM software updates rather than hardware replacement. GM has issued several technical service bulletins with updated diagnostic procedures. These TSBs provide technicians with the latest protocols for addressing steering assist issues. If software updates don't resolve the issue, professional diagnosis is required. Modern diagnostic approaches use multi-step verification to identify the exact problem before attempting repairs. When hardware issues are identified, solutions may include sensor recalibration, component replacement, or wiring harness repair. Each solution targets specific failure modes in the EPS system. GM has extended warranty coverage for EPS components in model years 2018 through 2023. This extended coverage can significantly reduce repair costs for affected vehicles. For newer vehicles from 2022 and later, over-the-air updates provide a convenient solution. These remote updates can resolve software-related steering assist issues without requiring a dealership visit. Remember the troubleshooting hierarchy. Start with software updates, consult technical service bulletins, seek professional diagnosis when needed, and check warranty coverage before paying for repairs. This systematic approach resolves most steering assist warnings effectively.